Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up invoicing workflows with FreshBooks step by step clearly. To set up invoicing workflows with FreshBooks, first, log in to your FreshBooks account. From the dashboard, navigate to the invoicing section on the left side menu. Click on Invoices to access your invoice overview. Select the Create New Invoice button to start a new invoice. Enter the client's information by selecting their name from your client list or adding a new client. Next, input the products or services you provided by selecting them from your catalog. If applicable, add any discounts, taxes, or custom line items to outline the total cost. Review the invoice details to ensure accuracy before proceeding. Now, choose the payment terms to specify when payment is due. Personalize your invoice by adding a message or notes for the client if desired. Once everything looks good, click on the Save button to keep your work. To send the invoice, select the Send button and choose your preferred delivery method. You can send it via email directly through FreshBooks or copy the link to send through your preferred communication channel. After sending, you can track the invoice status under the Invoices section for payments received or overdue reminders. To automate reminders, navigate to the Settings menu and select Notifications. Enable reminder notifications to ensure clients receive follow-ups on overdue payments. For repeated services, consider setting up recurring invoices by selecting Recurring in the Invoice Creation section. Adjust the frequency and end date as necessary, then save and enable the recurring invoice feature. Review all invoices periodically for accuracy and ensure that your invoicing workflow runs smoothly. If you encounter any issues or need help, consult the FreshBooks Support Center for guidance. With these steps, your invoicing workflows will be efficiently set up within FreshBooks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.